When I first started exploring the world of Forex trading, one of the biggest questions on my mind was how much money I should start with. It's a tricky question because the answer depends on a mix of factors like your financial situation, trading goals, and how much risk you're comfortable taking on. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. For me, as a beginner, I realized that starting small was the best way to go. I didn't want to risk a lot of money while I was still learning the ropes, so I started with a modest amount, just $100. This allowed me to dip my toes in the water and get a feel for the market without the anxiety of losing significant capital. If you're just starting out like I was, keeping your initial investment between $100 and $500 might be a smart move. It's enough to learn, but not so much that you're overwhelmed by the stakes. As I gained more experience and confidence, I started to think about increasing my trading capital. With a bit of practice under my belt and a better understanding of the strategies that worked for me, I felt comfortable moving up to a range of $1,000 to $5,000. This gave me more flexibility to manage my trades, and honestly, it was exciting to see the potential for higher returns. If you're at that point where you have some experience and a solid strategy, it might be time to consider a larger starting amount. Of course, for the pros, the ones who treat Forex trading as a primary income source, the starting amounts are much higher. We're talking $10,000 or more. I'm not there yet, but I can see how having that level of capital allows for more sophisticated strategies and better risk management. It's a whole different ballgame when you're playing at that level. One of the most important lessons I've learned along the way is about risk management. No matter how much you start with, it's crucial to never risk more than 1% to 2% of your capital on a single trade. This rule has saved me from some potentially devastating losses and has helped me sleep better at night. At the end of the day, the money you invest in Forex trading should be money you can afford to lose, especially when you're still learning. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement, but I've learned that staying cautious and gradually increasing my investment as I gain experience has been key to my trading journey. If you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below.